Okay, but don't tag me on Facebook. Very well, proceed with your scan. Fine, but I don't have all day. Go ahead, but make it quick. What's your business here? You look very familiar to me. Have you atoned for your transgressions? Are you here to submit or fight? Hello, foundling. Yes. Very well. Fine. Sure. Absolutely. Excellent. Good. Indeed. Perfect. Step forward. Come forward. Come here. Come over here. Come this way. Over here. This way. Step this way. Come no further. This is the way. 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 Do you walk the way of the Mandalore? I doubt that. Do you walk the way of the Mandalore? At least you are honest. Do you walk the way of the Mandalore? It's great to meet another true Mandalorian. Have you encountered any Imperial scum? You better be speaking the truth. Have you encountered any Imperial scum? You killed them, I assume. Have you encountered any Imperial scum? Excellent, you can hunt with me anytime. Have you bathed in the living waters? The smell of you says otherwise. Have you bathed in the living waters? Then go, return when you have completed this task. Have you bathed in the living waters? Excellent, then you are apostate no longer. No. Are you out of your mind? Not a chance. I don't think so. We shall see. This doesn't need to escalate. One does not speak unless one knows. You do not cover your face. You are not Mandalorian. One day we will reclaim Mandalore. Seems like you need to visit the armorer. Are you supposed to be a night owl? Our secrecy is our survival. If you wish to become a Mandalorian, there is much work to attend to. Perhaps we will meet again. Safe travels. Until our paths cross again. You may go about your business. On your way. So long, friend. Okay, but don't tag me on Facebook.